Hi, I'm Malte from the Freshers Helpers team. You're a first semester student of Global Business and Economics and you're not certain whether your timetable is complete? Then I'm happy to show you how you can check that in CampusOffice. How to draw up your timetable in general, I explained to you in the video CampusOffice. Registration for classes, which you are supposed to have watched before. Enjoy the video. In order to find out which modules are prescribed for the first semester, you should take a look at the examination regulations. You'll find these on our website under your study program. As you can see, there are 6 modules to be taken each semester. In the degree program Global Business and Economics, you have the following modules: Principles of Business and Economics, Human Resources and Organization, Information Technology, Mathematics for Business and Economics, Principles of Business Law, and Business English. Now we're going to check in CampusOffice if your timetable is complete. Please log on to do so. First of all, it is important for you to select the current semester. Under Undergraduate Courses of Study, choose GBE and click on your semester. Here you'll find an overview of your modules. A module may consist of a lecture, an exercise course, or a colloquium. For some lectures, several groups are available. While the groups are identical content-wise, they take place at different times. You choose the time that best suits your timetable. What is important is that you register for only one group at a time. There are classes where a practical exercise is offered besides the lecture. Here it is imperative that you register for both. In addition, there are sometimes colloquiums where lecturers answer your questions. Now I'm going to show you the specialized tutorials. To do so, you want to click again on Global Business and Economics, up here. And then on Specialized Tutorials. This is the summary of the specialized tutorials. Specialized tutorials are offered by existing students. You have the opportunity to do more exercises there and to have all your questions answered. We strongly recommend you to attend these tutorials. The dates of the specialized tutorials will be announced by the lecturers during the semester and will be listed here. You won't have to register for the tutorials, however, you can add the dates to your timetable or calendar. Now we're going to take a look at your timetable again. To do so, we click on Timetable. Now you can check again if you have registered for all modules and make sure they don't overlap. If the module is orange, you are registered, and if it is white, you aren't registered. In this example here, all modules are registered and included in the timetable. If you have any more questions about CampusOffice or about other topics, don't hesitate to visit us during the business hours of the Freshers Helpers team. We look forward to seeing you.